Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2022 Taos, and we're just going to do a little preventative maintenance on the battery terminals. So this is a pretty new vehicle, and you can see these terminals are very clean, and they need to be coated before we get any corrosion. So I have this stuff right here by CRC. This will be in the description. All you do is spray this. It's red in color, and it will protect these terminals from any corrosion. So I'll show you how to do that. This little plastic piece just pulls right out, so you can set that aside and just wipe up any debris if you have any. Check for any corrosion as well, but these are very clean because this is a new vehicle. So what we're going to do is go ahead and spray these up. Make sure you get inside those little crevices, especially around the screw and nut there. And that's what it looks like once it's finished. It's pretty simple, guys. That'll protect it for months, if not a year. But it's a good idea to always check them. You know, pop open your hood once in a while, take a look. This will ensure that you get reliable starts. Okay, that takes care of that. Put this cover back in place. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.